What's up, guys? Today we're playing in a gorgeous lace wig courtesy of Divaswigs. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, so you know we're gonna slay today. So this one here is 12 inches, 180% density. When you click the link in my description box to check it out, you will see that it comes in a couple different colors. This one here happens to be same as picture, and I really like her. I kind of felt like she was a little bit longer than 12 inches and she was super full. Also, the hairline did appear to be a little bit full, so I did go ahead and customize it before I went ahead and cut off the excess lace. And all I did was I took an electric hot comb and I just went ahead and pressed out the hairline. I like doing this before I bond the wig down because you can kind of pull the lace up so that you don't, burn your scalp, and it helps you to get a more close press so that you get like a bone straight appearance. And this is what it looks like. Also, I went ahead and straightened out that parting. All this I did before cutting off the excess lace. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of a lace tint, or my version of it. So I'm going to take 2 pumps of one of my favorite foundations, buff it along the hairline. I would recommend that you blow dry it. I did not, because my little one was like right next to me sleep, so it was a little bit splotchy. But of course, once you go ahead and bond it down and you blow dry your wig down and all that, you won't even be able to tell. Here I am adding a little bit of an adhesive. Of course, I have it linked in the description box. Bonding the wig down, super simple and easy. This one can fit glueless on, but you definitely would just have to make sure your elastic band is super tight. I like to bond all my wigs down these days. I have 3 small children who are all over the place all the time, so it's just better to have that security. Don't need my wig sliding back, just don't want to be clocked in that way. So again, this one did come pre-plucked, but we did not go in and customize it ourselves. I highly recommend that you customize yours yourself. Of course, if you have time. Today just kind of was like an install, and as you guys can see as we're working through it, you really don't have to. Like, it's gonna look so good that you can't even tell we did not pluck it. I am going for a little bit more of a natural baby hair, so it's full to some, but it's pretty thin for me, and I like the way it came out. So now that we have the baby hair squared away, I want to remind you guys that I do have a coupon code with Divaswigs. It is AB10, and I'll have it linked in the description box. And of course, you can enter this at checkout and you'll get a whole $30 off. $30 is a lot off your wig, so make sure you do not forget to use your coupon code. As far as the color, I really love the way it complements my complexion. It's a nice rich chocolate brown, and it has some even lighter highlights. I'm not a color expert, so I can't even tell you what the color is specifically, but I will remind you that when you go in and you try to purchase your wig, you just enter same as picture for color and you will be good to go. As you guys can tell, one of my favorite objects to use during my installs is my electric hot comb. I don't know what I was doing before the electric hot comb became popular, but I mean, I use it every step of the way. I start off using it in the very beginning, I use it during the middle, I use it at the end to touch things up, and it always works out for me. Now this one did come already pre-curled, but you guys can see the curls were like fun and messy. You could have just used a little bit of a styling product and just, worked with what you had. I personally wanted to make the curls pop a little bit more. So I took my handy dandy electric wand curler. The wand curler is best for beginners. I've been doing my own hair for a few years now, and I'm still not that great with curls with a regular curling iron. I've been saying forever that I'm going to start practicing, and I definitely am, but I just haven't had the time, guys. It's like I don't want to use a curling iron, curl the entire head, and then come to find out I don't have any curls. So this one here is affordable. I believe it's under 30 bucks. You can find it at your local drugstore, Target, Walmart. So of course I'll have it linked down below so you can know the brand and all of that details on it. And I just kind of went in with my shapers, which is a holding spray, and just kind of grabbed big chunks of different sizes and just curled away, and the curls came out beautiful. I did curl all of them towards my face on each side. You can go back and forth and alternate, like some towards, some, you know, away, so it doesn't have that clumping effect. But I like what I did. I like the volume it has, and it just complements all together. Let me know what you guys think of this one and the color. So now that we're done, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of wax. I love when my hair looks completely finished, and sometimes when you just kind of go in with no product up top, it just doesn't look finished to me. So wax for me is perfect. If you don't want to use wax, a holding spray will also be a great product to use. And again, for probably the third or fourth time in this video, I'm going in with the electric hot comb. I used to use the flat iron, but the hot comb just does so much better. Now I'm going to fluff it out a little bit and just decide what else I need. I almost forgot to add concealer to the parting. Now the parting did look great as far as having that nice brown tint to match my complexion, but this is just going to make the wig pop overall a little bit more. If you do add concealer to your parting, which I have been loving as of late, be sure to press it in, you know, like with a rag or, you know, whatever you have, just so that it's not sitting on top and it kind of will blend it out a little bit. I didn't really need any powder or anything along the hairline since I did use that lace tint. Here I am just primping and making sure everything is perfect, and that's pretty much it. Be sure to check out Divaswigs. You guys know I love this company. I'll also have the detailed information on the contacts I'm wearing and all of the products I use to achieve this look throughout the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!